Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 4 most slower browsers on your Poco F5. So the first one, Google Chrome. In this web browser just click on the 3-dot icon and choose new Incognito tab, and that's it. The next one, Opera, click on the tab icon, switch to the private tab and click on the plus. Now the Microsoft Edge, click on the tab icon, switch to the in private and click on the plus. And the last one, Firefox. If you have this, welcome is just clicking on the zero mask. If you have any tab open it, click on the tab icon, switch to the zero mask and click on the plus private. And in this mode, all of the all data like history, complete forms, even the words learned from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.